Hey guys, it's me Milkies, and today we are going to to this time um you never know me as a YouTuber or musician, but you know me as music and do YouTube video, but you never know me for doing technology. Now today we are going to do window to use a virtual machine to use Windows 7, but I make something better in that operating system that you guys will never see me do in your entire life. I being to do a virtual machine on Windows 7, but the thing is, it's not Windows 7. It's Windows Shakira. You know Shakira, the singer who's saying Waka Waka. It's her. I make everything with her in it, with Shakira in it. Not with Windows 7 in it. It's Shakira. You should know it. You should see it when we go onto the home screen. That you can see. And the laptop that I'm using, this is not my main laptop that I use for streaming. This is the laptop I used to using in the past. And this is when I starting do music on this laptop that I use. This is where I started. We're never gonna give you up on this laptop, and you're on my side on this laptop. You know, most of the music that I did is mostly on the laptop I used right now. Let me show you. It's this laptop that I use mostly. This is my main one. You see? This is the one I'm using. You see. You will never see what I'm running on. It's Windows. Guess what? Mm, loading. Shakira! This is not Windows 7. This is Windows Shakira. Everybody should know that. It's Windows Shakira. Let me put this on charger. Yeah, Shakira. Everybody should know that. Do you see the name that I wrote? It's on 7. It's Shakira. And this has took me days for doing this. That has took me about 5 and 6 days for doing this. I've been planning for this for 5 and 6 days. If you do this, it'll be Windows 7 sound. But if you play this is not Windows 7. This is Windows Shakira. Look, listen to this. Llevo tiempo sin verte, sigo aquí y no pasa un día que no piense en ti. Llevo tiempo sin verte y dime si aún me quieres, si te acuerdas de mí. ¿Y qué ha sido de ti? Hace rato te fuiste, olvidaste llamar. We are going to try this again because it's just because I don't have enough battery. That was I have to do this. I'll make this full screen. If I make this low screen, the screen will just goes directly to black. So we are not going to do this time. And because the problem is sound like like a computer crack screen. I don't like this at all. Let's just fix this problem. It goes like on the computer. On this in the sound of the computers. I make the screen back to big screen. And while the wallpaper is blank. I make this to Shakira. I'll put this to 7 wallpaper. Let's try Shakira's. Llevo tiempo sin verte y sigo aquí y no pasa un día que no piense en ti. It's better than this, the computer glitch sound. Shakira, safe. See? Shakira. I told you. Everything is Shakira. Sí, así, no pasa ni que le afecta a ti. We are going to do testing her on YouTube. Let's try YouTube on Windows Shakira. Pasa un día que no piense en ti. Llevo tiempo sin verte. Dime si aún me quieres y te acuerdas de mí. Llevo tiempo sin verte. Finally, no more this. And we are going to test YouTube on Windows 7. Of course it's slow because it's Windows 7. Actually, it's not the 7, it's Windows 7 itself. It's actually the virtual machine. Because I'm using virtual machine to do Windows 7, not upgrading it. If I was upgrade this to Windows 7, oh, where else would be glitch slow? Say, YouTube cannot handle this. Like, let's try. I told you. Look, if you press this video, I tested this thing before. Let's test it with you guys. Told you. Oh, it's loading. It's slow. If I watch Kadalamiya, you see? It's glitching. It's loading so slow. You know slow? This. Don't try watching YouTube on Windows 7 because it'll be loading. It will take you so long to do this. Last time, when I was trying to open Windows Live Movie Maker, and then this will actually crash the virtual machine itself. Let's check the file. Music, let's try music. Kalambaba. The very old music from 2008. This song is so iconic and it took me to my childhood. This song. Let me save some more wallpaper of Shakira and put this on the computer. Let me save some more paper on this very old, outdated Windows computer. Not computers. The operating system. I already have this. Let's check. Let me save these images. Of course, it's slow because Google could not handle this on Windows 7 because actually it's not with the computer, it's actually with the virtual machine. Oh yeah, because this laptop was actually run on 64-bit, but I took this 32-bit Windows computer. I just use a virtual machine to install the 32-bit Windows 7. That was it couldn't handle it properly. I should install 32-bit instead of 64-bit. I mean install 64-bit instead of 32 bits. And secondly, I don't want to log on my Google account on this outdated Windows 7 computer. I'm in this outdated Windows. This laptop is actually running Windows 10. If I show you, it's Windows 10, not 7, because this is virtual machine. You guys never know that. Come on, hurry up. I'm trying to save these images. Saving file on Google's actually will take so long. Hurry up, bruh. I try to save photo. You want me just to do this and this and this and this and this and that's it? Okay. I'm not trusting this. I will never use 32-bit at all. Okay, let me save. Save. And we're gonna stop using Windows 7. Bye bye. Bed bye. Bed bye to this old operating system. We are never gonna use Windows 7 at all. Okay. This is for that. Thank you for watching. Like and comment and subscribe, and I will see you for the next video. Bye.